Open the Settings app by clicking the Start menu and selecting the gear icon. Navigate to Apps and then choose Default Apps and select Google Chrome. To set Chrome as the default for specific file types and links, scroll down and click on each file type or protocol, like .html, .htm, HTTP, and HTTPS, listed under Choose Default Apps by File Type or Choose Default Apps by Protocol. For each one, select Google Chrome from the list. Close the Settings app to apply your changes.